Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're back here in the garage. It's a Friday, and we have a nice, easy one here for us to do today. It's a 2016 Mini Cooper. It's a friend of mine, and they just had a couple dents around it. They wanted it cleaned up, so I'll show you what we got going on. First one's in this quarter panel here. I don't know if you can see it right there. Nothing major, just a nice small dent. We'll probably take the tail light out and get through it back that way. Then they have a couple little dents here in the door. I don't know if you can see them right there and there. So we'll pop them out for them. Then on the hood here, a couple other little small dents. I don't know if you'll be able to pick them up in the light. Right around there in the center of the hood. Somewhere around here and there. So not too bad. And then on this passenger door, actually, see if we could get it right there. See it? Right there. So that shouldn't be too bad. I think what we'll do is we'll probably just pop out this little plug there, sneak up there and get it that way. So shouldn't be too bad. Nice easy one for us to do today. So we'll take you through all the dents, just, you know, how we access them and things like that, and we'll get this thing done. Let's get going. All right, as you saw, we just took out that tail light. They're real easy to take out. I remember the first time I tried doing them, I couldn't figure it out. Just because usually there's bolts behind it or something like that. But you just take off that chrome ring, that pops off real easy. And then there's 3 screws there, and I'll show you the access. There's lots of access in here. So you can see we can sneak right back in there and get to this dent right here, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. I was looking at this back door. We'll probably just do that down through the window, but if we had to, we could just, again, sneak right in that electrical outlet there and then get to them. But let's get going on this and get this car done. Okay, so we got this hood open, the hood mat down, and when I looked underneath to see where those dents were, it's right where that bracing is, which I thought was the case. But I'll show you what we have here. So you could see, I don't know if you can pick it up, and it's so shallow in the light, but the dents are right here. Let's see if we can focus right there and right there. So when we look up underneath here, you can see the bracings right there, right where the dents are. And the caulking is really hard. So what happens is once, you know, they put that caulking there, and once that caulk starts to harden up and over the years it gets, you know, real hard and brittle, it kind of sucks the panel down. So what we're going to do, we actually have this tool here. It's just an icing spreader for like cakes and things like that. What we do is we just put it right in here, and we'll just cut that caulk that's right there. And that should just release that pressure and those dents, and they should literally just come right out. So we're going to get going on that, and then this car is pretty much done. All right, we are all finished up. A nice, easy day for a Friday. We love these kind of cars when they're just small dents, easy to get to, no issues. A lot of people think that, you know, when they have a lot of dents or they're big dents, they think, oh, you're gonna love this car. But for dent guys, that's where we make our money, the nice, small, easy dents. So perfect car for a Friday for us. I'll walk you through what we did. Like I said, we did this quarter panel. No issue that way, just popped out that tail light. This back door, you can see there's a little chip there they left me touch up, so I'm gonna touch that up for them. And then the hood, just cut that bracing there to release that pressure. That happens a lot. I've done a lot of cars like that where we just had to cut that bracing or cut that caulk where the bracing is, because it just hardens up and then sucks down the panel. Once you cut that caulk and release that pressure, the dent pretty much just comes right out. And then we did this door here. So I think my friend's gonna be happy with this. It's nice to do this every once in a while, you know, just do an overhaul on your vehicle. He's gonna get it detailed, and that way it's kind of back to the way when you bought it new, so you can enjoy it again. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.